it is about beauty and finding beauty in the world. That sounds cheesy, but I don't care. My name is Olivia Cho Lund. I'm from Brazil. I'm a creative director and art director. Photography plays a big part in art direction for me. Through photography, you can really just communicate the feeling, communicate the story somehow in a subjective and more subconscious way almost. My inspiration for this project, Finding You to Find Myself, was a search for my Korean roots. I've been hearing this question my whole life, where are you from, where are you from, since I left my home country, Brazil. And after living in France, hearing that so much, and then moving here to Denmark, I finally thought, okay, this is the time that I want to address that.
But I think it's too dark. I think we still need more light here.
Yeah, you saw it, right, Mark, that she has a tattoo that is pretty. She has one here in Korean that is really cool. I think this project is really part of a journey of looking into myself, into my own roots, but also giving a voice to this community here in Denmark of adoptees from Korea. There's light here. Yeah, now it's more on her eyes. In a lot of the conversations that I had with the subjects, with the talents, they were also looking into that part of them, that it was still, a mystery for them. Let's try this first. It looks really good, and then maybe, we go from here. But yeah, you look great. Here in this moment, in this project, was really much about the search for it, the search for this part of our identity, of our cultural identity that we're still trying to figure out, or we're still trying to know more about it. Can we zoom in a bit, please? I kind of like the
harshness?
I like the drama,
Okay.
But maybe we find a midway.
Let's have a look.
Yeah. So my partnership with Mark Dexter, the photographer, was really key in this project. Let me know when you want to try the distortions. I knew I wanted to approach it, at least the portraits, in a more surrealistic way. I really wanted people to look beyond the looks.
Maybe a little bit more.
Yeah, I think it's nice to see this.
I can soften up the shadows.
Capture One plays a really key role in my creative process. Can maybe try to saturate a bit the reds as well. It's so overwhelming sometimes, and I think the fact that you can just see the image on the screen, it's easier to, give an objective feedback to the photographer. It's all about subtle details, especially in our direction. So in that sense, that tool gives us, the power to really finesse some things on set. Ultimately, like a very powerful tool in the whole process. In the end of the day, this project is also about opening your eyes to anyone. I hope these images provoke something on whoever is looking at them. I hope people will stop in front of these images and listen to the stories. I don't want people to just pass by it.